Okay, we're heading to Juntura Hot Springs, and it might be a little cold because the sun's down, but we're gonna do it anyhow, because that's what I do. So there's nobody here. I'm out of breath. I'm gonna turn the camera around so you can see the hot spring. So this is the main pool. It's a go-to stop whenever you go over to the outboard. We try to stop here if the river's not too high. You can see it is bubbling. The river runs through the bottom of the hillside. Hey, Fiona. Hi, girl. Over where you get in, it's probably 101. The hot spot seems to be over here, and it's, you know, definitely warmer than that, 102, 103 maybe. And try to stop looking at that part, start looking at that part, right? So about 103. I brought my granddaughter here, and there's this little like island type of a grassy area, and it's right here. And if you have a grandkid or a child and you've ever heard of Larva, it's called a cartoon, and it's about larvas basically, and they live on an island, and we have named this Larva Island because my granddaughter Sadie said that's what it's called. So this is definitely my happy place. Oh no. Aww. Okay. We gotta get those out. We've been gone since Tuesday night. Went to 4 hot springs. One I'm not going to say the name of. We gotta keep some secrets. Juntura Hot Springs. We stopped here on the way to the outboard, and we went to Paradise Valley Hot Springs, which is super nice. Did not follow Google's instructions, because if you've seen the Lost and Stranded Hot Mess video, that's where I was going, and it was Google's fault. So do not follow Google's instructions, directions. Yeah, for Hot Springs. We still have about 4 hours to drive, so we should probably get on the road. Kevin's already ready, pretty much has his shoes and socks all on, and here I am, naked, procrastinating, because I don't want to get out, but gonna get out. So if you guys will just do me a favor and, hit that little button right there, that one, and hit the notification bell, so that you know when I put out my videos. And why don't you just share it for me, because I'll love you forever. So share it for me, help a girl out, and I'll talk to you later. Sayonara. So there's the main little pond area, and then there's this. It's very warm, very warm. Even though it's right on the river, I have a tendency of not getting in it just because it's not so deep. But it's very nice. And in the summer, kids come down here and play with their parents, and it's actually pretty fun. So goodbye for real this time.